All right, I'm Jeff Fox here at the Q-SYS booth for VisionSuite. I want to talk to you about this new device. This is the VSA-100. It is an AI accelerator. It does some incredible calculations and ability to put together intelligence for meeting spaces, for training spaces, for lecture halls, any type of high impact space. It is going to be able to do a lot of the heavy lifting and automate the functionality for that room. What it does is it is working with our Q-SYS software. This is working with QDS 10.0, which is our newest release of our software, and it is working with something called VisionSuite. That gives us the ability to control cameras, to control automation, to control lighting, to give voice activation and detection, things that will make every meeting space and environment so much better for both the presenter and for the remote attendees, the presenters, anybody that's involved. It is automating and taking a lot of the workflow and making it easier so that things just happen the way that you would want them in a workspace. Yeah, and if you would like to know more, we have a very detailed website. It is Q-SYS.com, and look at VisionSuite. Thank you very much.